Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about adjectives and its order. So let's start. First of all, can you tell me what is an adjective? Think about it. If you think that an adjective qualifies a noun or a pronoun, then you are correct. So, an adjective is a part of speech that describes, qualifies, and identifies a noun or a pronoun. It gives more information about a noun and a pronoun. It gives an opinion about a noun, tells us about its color, shape, size, age, condition, origin, and material from which it is made up of. Look at this book. If I say this book is interesting, its color is brown. So here, interesting and brown are the adjectives that are giving us more information about the noun, that is a book. You must have learned about a noun and a pronoun in your previous classes. Let's revise. A noun is a name of person, place, or a thing. For example, Ahmed, table, Islamabad. While a pronoun is used in place of a noun, such as he, she, it. So let's move towards the examples of adjectives. Noun, person, place, thing. In person, what can be the example? You can write Zen is friendly. Here, Zen is a noun and friendly is an opinion, that is an adjective. Place, the ground is enormous. Here, ground is a noun and enormous tells us about the size of it. So it is an adjective. Thing, the chair is brown. Here, the chair is a noun and brown is an adjective. Can you make sentences with adjectives in this picture? Come on, think about it. All right. You can make the sentences: the grass is green, the butterfly is beautiful, the garden is huge. Likewise, you can make more sentences by using adjectives present in this picture. Can you find the adjectives in these sentences? Think about it. I'm giving you some time. Let me do the first one for you. In the first sentence, beautiful is an adjective. Now you can do the rest. Good job. Here are the answers. Do not confuse the adjective with the adverb. Adverb qualifies a verb. So what is a verb? A verb is an action word. For example, Ali walks slowly. Here, walks is a verb and slowly describes this verb. So it is an adverb. while an adjective describes a noun like Ali is a good boy. Degrees of adjective. So there are three degrees of adjectives. First is positive, second is comparative, and third is superlative. The positive degree describes a noun. For example, this black bag is big. Here, the word black shows the positive degree of an adjective. The comparative degree compares two nouns. For example, this green bag is bigger than the black bag. So we add er with big to make it a comparative degree. The third and the superlative degree compares more than two nouns. For example, this red bag is the biggest of all. Here, the word biggest shows the supreme position of the red bag. Previously, we did degrees of adjective big. Here are some other adjectives and their degrees: fine, finer, finest, cold, colder, coldest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, calm, calmer, calmest, bright, brighter, brightest. Rules to convert positive degree in comparative degree. Add er or r in the positive degree. Add than after comparative degree. Rules to convert positive degree to superlative degree. Add st or est in positive degree. Add the before the superlative degree. Order of adjectives. Let's move towards the order of adjectives. Let's read its definition. If you are using more than one adjective before a noun, they are subject to a certain order. This is called the order of adjectives. For example, this is an adorable, small, old fashioned blue car. How many adjectives are there? Adorable, small, old fashioned, blue. So, how do we know that we should place adorable at the first place and blue at the last place in the sentence and old after small? Definitely by the order of adjectives. So, let's have a look at the orders. On the first place in the order of adjectives is opinion. For example, this girl is very intelligent. Here, intelligent is giving us an opinion about the girl, and we always write opinion at the first place. Likewise, expensive, talented, bright, dark, comfortable, funny, silly, precious, strange are also opinions. On the second place, we have size. For example, this is a big house. Here, big tells us about the size of the house. Likewise, fat, gigantic, huge, large, little, massive, tall, short are also sizes, and we always place the size after opinion at the second place. On the third place in the order of adjectives is shape. For example, this is a circular plate. Here, the adjective circular tells us about the shape of the plate. Likewise, round, square, straight, curved, circle, oval, slant, deep, twisted are different kinds of shapes, and we always place the shapes in a sentence after the size at the third place. On the fourth place in the order of adjectives is condition. For example, this watch is broken. Here, the adjective broken tells us about the condition of the watch. Likewise, good, bad, sick, healthy, fresh, clean, dirty, cold, hot, dead, alive are different kinds of conditions, and we always place the condition in a sentence after the shape at the fourth place. On the fifth place in the order of adjectives is age. For example, Haris is Ali's elder brother. Here, the adjective elder tells us about the age of the Haris and Ali. Likewise, old, young, ancient, antique, new, old fashioned, early, recent, modern are different kinds of ages, and we always place the age in a sentence after the condition at the fifth place. On the sixth place in the order is color. For example, the grass is green. Here, the adjective green tells us about the color of the grass. Likewise, metallic, silver, gold, yellowish, transparent, reddish, brown, orange, purple, pink, blue are different kinds of colors, and we always place the color in a sentence after the age at the sixth place. On the seventh place in the order is origin. For example, he is a British man. Here, the adjective British tells us about the origin of the man. Likewise, Eastern, Western, Spanish, Northern, British, Irish, Chinese, Turkish are different kinds of origins, and we always place the origin in a sentence after the color at the seventh place. On the eighth and last place in the order of adjectives is material. For example, this is a woolen sweater. Here, the adjective wool tells us about the material from which the sweater is made up of. Likewise, glass, wooden, concrete, plastic, leather, steel, metal, silicon, woolly, silky are different kinds of materials, and we always place the material in a sentence after the origin at the eighth place. Let's revise all the eight orders: opinion, size, shape, condition, age, color, origin, and material. The door handle was made up of strange golden metallic material. In this example, we have written strange, that is an opinion, at the first place in the sentence. On second number, we have written golden, which is the color and takes sixth place in the order. But as you can see, there is no adjectives present from order 2 to 5 in the sentence. So we will write the sixth order at the second place. We do same for all the orders. She was a beautiful, tall, round faced, young, golden haired Scottish woman. In this example, we have written beautiful, that is an opinion at the first place in the sentence. On the second number, we have written tall, that is the size and takes second number in the order. Then we have written round faced, that is the shape and takes third place in the order. But look at young, which is the age, and it takes fifth place in the order. But as you can see, there is no adjective of order 4 is present in the sentence, so we will write the fifth order at the fourth place. We always do the same for all the orders. What an amazing little old Chinese saucer. Let's move towards some activities. Can you arrange the adjectives according to the order? First one is silk shirt, a beautiful, new. And the second one is Italian, old, blue, comfortable leather shoes. Think about it. Are you done? Here are the correct answers. A beautiful new silk shirt, comfortable old blue Italian leather shoes. Activity number 2. Is it correct order of adjectives? First is a Spanish lovely wooden bowl. Second is big old green antique car. Third is an amazing new American movie. Come on, think about it. Here are the answers. Well done. You have done an amazing job. Very good, students. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.